Welcome to London Women's Clinic, Bristol. Close to the heart of the city, our clinic is located 13 minutes walk away from Bristol Temple Mead Station. No matter where you are in your fertility journey, our caring and knowledgeable team is here to support you every step of the way. You can take a moment to relax with a hot drink in our peaceful waiting area before your appointment. As part of our fertility health assessment, you'll meet one of our experienced nurses who will talk you through what to expect from your appointment. At your next visit, you'll see one of our expert fertility consultants who will take the time to listen, understand your unique situation, and work with you to create a personalised treatment plan that aligns with your goals and needs. The clinic is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, including a dedicated phlebotomy room, as well as a specialist scan room, which features the latest ultrasound technology, so we can deliver expert care with confidence. To find out more or to book in a fertility health assessment, please visit our website at www.londonwomensclinic.com. We look forward to welcoming you soon.